Meet Mrs. Anne Cuneo of Harvard, Massachusetts. She's going to tell a story that might shake up a lot of your ideas about washing clothes.
Well, it all began when I threw this old favorite jersey of mine reluctantly into the rag drawer because of a hopeless stain. I used it for polishing, mopping up dirt, spills. One day I was doing a load of rags with some Tide that I had gotten on special. When I took the jersey out, I couldn't believe it. The dirt and stains were out, and, well, it was clean enough to wear again. Then I saw it wasn't Tide I used, it was Tide XK. I've used Tide XK ever since, even when it's not on special. And my whole wash is cleaner and whiter than I ever thought it could be.
Incredible Tide XK with stain-removing XK enzymes. It's so powerful, it soaks out stains while it washes out dirt. And if you don't believe it, get in touch with Mrs. Cuneo at 800-221-7370.